It's considered a tradition in Union County. Parents camping out at Lake Butler Elementary School to pick their children's school teacher. TV20's Yademe Farinas reports some parents say this system isn't fair for parents, children, and teachers.
By here Friday night, there was already 9 cars. People were already setting up to get in line.
Even though it's been raining out, some parents have spent the weekend sleeping in tents and on lawn chairs at Lake Butler Elementary School. Richard Johnson has 2 kids who attend this school. He says this teacher request process isn't fair. Johnson tells us that teachers who are not picked by parents most likely get a large number of kids who need more attention. He believes that could affect the teacher's salary since it's based on student test scores. There's so many other reasons he thinks the system simply doesn't work.
This year, there was one teacher that had mostly male students in his class. There was another teacher that had mostly female students in her class.
Parents say this has been going on for years, but it's become more competitive.
And there was campers in the parking lot, and it was just, there was over 50 people here last year.
The teacher request process is scheduled for Monday, so we checked out the school to see how many people were already there. We saw about 15 people on campus who put their name on a list, which is not monitored by any school official. None of the adults wanted to speak to us on camera. Some say they're afraid if they speak up, their child may be affected. On the other hand, Johnson wants to be heard. He's written letters to Governor Rick Scott and Florida School Commissioners in hopes of getting this changed.
And they all send me letters back basically saying that Carlton Falk, this is his district and he can do what he wants.
Yademe Farinas, TV20 News.
We were unable to get in contact with the superintendent of Union County, Carlton Falk, and we hope to talk to him tomorrow. Well, more of your weekly report is on the way, and stick around. We'll have